This video walks you through how to connect make.com to Stripe. Start by signing in to make.com. From your dashboard, create a new scenario if you are starting from scratch, or open an existing scenario where you want to use Stripe. Once the scenario editor is open, move to the canvas and click the plus button to add a module. In the search box, type Stripe, then select the Stripe module that matches the action you want to use. The exact module can vary depending on what you need the scenario to do, but the connection process starts the same way. After you select the module, the setup window will open and you will see a connection field. In that connection field, click Add. This opens the connection setup for Stripe inside make.com. You will now need to choose the connection type. Open the connection type dropdown and select Stripe API key. This is the option that allows make.com to connect directly to your Stripe account using a key from your Stripe dashboard. Next, enter a name in the connection name field. This can be any label that helps you recognize the connection later, especially if you plan to use more than one Stripe account or create separate connections for different scenarios. The name is for organization inside make.com, so use something clear and specific to your setup. After that, go to your Stripe dashboard and create or copy a restricted API key. Make sure you are using a restricted key as indicated in the setup, then return to make.com and paste that key into the restricted API key field. Be careful to copy the full key without extra spaces before or after it, since even a small formatting issue can prevent the connection from working. Once the key is in place, click Save to create the connection. Make.com will store that connection and return you to the Stripe module settings. At this point, the Stripe account is connected, but the module still needs its remaining settings completed before you can confirm everything is working. Fill in the rest of the module configuration based on the Stripe action you selected. The fields here depend on the module, so enter the required values for that step in your scenario. When the setup is complete, click Run once. This sends a test run through the module so you can verify that make.com can reach Stripe using the connection you just created. If the test runs successfully, save the scenario. Then switch the scenario on so it is active and ready to run according to its trigger or schedule. If anything does not connect on the first run, return to the module settings and check the connection type, connection name, and restricted API key entry before trying again. Your make.com scenario is now connected to Stripe and ready to run.